Do you have trouble making it up hills?
Oh,
How about stairs?
oh no.
If so, you need elevation juice.
Elevation juice.
With elevation juice, you're guaranteed to make it up hills, stairs, or even tall beds.
Thank you, elevation juice.
Elevation juice.
Think of the time you'll save by not forcing people to carry you. Now you have extra time to make up that lovely face of yours.
Thanks, Elevation Juice.
Elevation juice.
Was your boyfriend mad at you because you couldn't make it up the stairs to bring him pizza? Now you can finally make up.
Thanks, elevation juice.
Do you feel bad for making people carry you? You can make it up to them by giving them the recipe for elevation juice. It's easy to make up. Just take 32 ounces of water, add 1 egg, a piece of star anise, broccoli, lamb's tears, the blood of a unicorn, and 1 spoonful of our patented elevation powder. Mmm, delicious. Thanks, elevation juice. Using elevation juice is easy. Just make up a batch at the beginning of the week and drink from it every day. Did you forget a day? No worries. You can make up for it the next day by drinking twice as much.
Elevation juice.
Just make sure not to drink any more than that. Drink it twice, now don't be shy. But drink 3 times and you will die.
Elevation juice.
Any and all facts about elevation juice were made up by a balding man on the cusp of sleep. By consuming elevation juice, you take responsibility for any and all injuries or illnesses, including but not limited to vomiting, choking, gasping, laughing, squirming, leaky butt, numbness of the butt hallucinations, dehydration, and death.
So order your packet of elevation powder today. Elevation juice. It's how we make it up things.